Hi friends, let's study today IS and LM curves. These are a part of module A for CIB ABM. In books you'll find it difficult to understand. Let's try to understand it in simple language. First understand the meaning of this term IS and LM. IS means there are two curves basically, IS and LM. These are two separate curves. IS means investment savings. This curve is this sloping downward, and second is LM, liquidity preference function and money supply function. These two combined are L and M. Now we'll study why IS is sloping downwards and why LM is sloping upwards. First let's study IS. On y-axis it is interest rates, real interest rates. For example, we take one as repo, and here on x-axis we get real output or income and employment. That is, let's take real output, we'll take it as GDP or loans. We can take that anything as such. So suppose if repo is at 6.25 today, this interest rate, and corresponding loans are at 60. Why are we taking loan for output? Because loan is a factor of output. As the loans in the society increase, GDP increases, because people will get more money and they'll try to invest more in productive things. That's why we are comparing, giving the notation of loans for this real output. You can take this as GDP also. Now if 6.25 is the interest rate and 60 is the loan, if tomorrow the interest rate comes down, means repo rate comes down, what will happen? RBI will lend to the banks at a lower rate. Now banks will get more money then, because they are having it, getting the loan at lower rate. What will they do? They'll buy more loans from RBI. Once they get more money, what will they do with those funds? They'll distribute more among the people. So the loans which were at 60, they will increase to 70. That is point number 1. That's why what happens, as this R comes from year to year down from 6.25 to 5, the loans increase from 60 to 70. That's why if you plot the graph, this comes downwards, this curve comes downwards. Also one more point to note in this is, if the repo rate or the interest rates are reduced, banks will get more money from RBI. Once they get more money, why will they take deposits from the public? They'll definitely reduce the interest rates of the deposits. Once the interest rates reduced, definitely the savings would reduce from the public. Why would the common public put at lower interest rate? Hence the investment savings definitely comes down, and that's why this curve slopes downwards. Now same example, LM curve. Repo reduces from 6.25 to 5, so the loans increase. Kindly watch the videos further on the paid version of the Yuvaguru app. You can download this Yuvaguru app from Play Store and register on it. The paid version hardly costs you anything as compared to the results which you get. Also other samples of the videos are available on the free version in the same app. This app contains question banks, notes, online tests, video lectures, plus news. See, these are the topics and these are the videos. For CIB, capital budgeting, correlation, future present values, linear programming, sampling distribution, balance of trade, Altman score, buyers credit, suppliers credit, call and put options, ECDC, factoring, LC transactions, balance sheets, P&L, bond calculations, estimation, GDP, GNP, deflator, ISLM curves, union budget, Keynes theory, ratio analysis, import export, pre and post shipment, tier 1 and tier 2 capital, CRAR, Bissell to horizontal and vertical disallowances, value at risk, retail capital gains, encumbrance, and for CIB it's accounting basics, balance sheets, P&L, bank recon, bond calculations, capital revenue expenditure, NPV IRR, depreciation, trial balance, forex, present future value, ratio analysis, and all are these all are the videos, number of videos. Share capital, treasury, PPP, all topics are available in PPT. Also we are preparing for legal all topics. Plus the videos go on increasing day by day. Also get the soft copies of these question banks with explanations directly on your email. These are along with the case studies. Now if you don't have Android app, you can app, then you can follow this option. Also, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp number given. For any queries, you can message us on this number. You can follow us on this link on Facebook so that we can answer you quickly. The paid versions available are very easy to understand and very useful. So keep studying, keep watching.